everyone, today in front of me I have HUAWEI Nova Y70, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Google Chrome on it. Alright, so first of all open up the HUAWEI app gallery, skip the ad. At the search bar you want to type in Chrome, tap on the get button, you will be forwarded to the Android APKsFree.com website. Download the latest APK, wait for the file to get downloaded, or should you gotta confirm the download process once again. Tap on the download, wait for the Google Chrome APK file to be obviously downloaded, after which you will be able to start the installation process, so I'll simply wait. Now let's go ahead and open this APK file. Allow Opera or any other browser that you have set by default to install apps. Confirm the installation. And now, as you can see, this will essentially mean that you have successfully downloaded and installed the Google Chrome. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.